Malapot-lapot na yung soup guys eh. Oh. Diba? Parang ang lapot. Lagot tayo kay matandang masungit. Lipat na natin guys dito sa kabilang ano. Malakas kasi itong kalan dito eh. Kaya naiiga siya. Ayan. Malapit na siya. Yummy. Thanks for watching guys. Ayan. Thanks for watching Marley Season. Ay Nelson Marley channel. Thanks. To all members, thank you. Ate Shea Vlog, thank you so much for remembering Nelson Marley channel.